Upgrading a two-way radio system can seem daunting and expensive, but could be completely necessary for your business. An older system utilizing analog radios may not possess the clear audio, coverage, or durability that you require, so it's important to consider a digital migration now to allow yourself time to upgrade. Here are 5 reasons why you should upgrade your current analog two-way radio system. Audio quality. Noise cancellation is a feature which allows digital systems to provide clear and improved audio quality. So, while your analog system transmits your voice along with all of the background noise, a digital system mutes what's in the background for clear transmission. Coverage. Coverage with a digital system versus an analog system is drastically different. Though they are able to reach the same distance, the audio quality on an analog radio affects the strength of this connection. With a digital handheld at that same distance, the audio will be much clearer and more precise. Life. When you upgrade to a digital two-way radio system, you are also adding about 40% of a longer life to your handhelds. Digital radios are much more energy efficient and are built to last. Spectrum capacity. Digital technology is unbeatable when it comes to bandwidth efficiency. Due to the fact that it so efficiently utilizes the radio spectrum, your resulting licensing costs are minimized, saving you money that can be allocated to other parts of your business. Applications. Applications such as GPS tracking, text messaging, voice dispatch, work order management, and more are available for certain brands of digital two-way radios. These applications allow consolidation of devices as well as easier workforce management for your company. Even if your analog two-way radio system still currently works for you, it's always wise to keep an idea of a digital system that will work for your team if there's ever a need to phase in something new. When you order from Two Way Direct, you have the option to opt into our trade-in program. With this deal, you're able to send in your old analog or digital radios in return for a credit on your new digital system. For more information on an upgraded two-way radio system to replace your old analog system, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.